Yes, it's my birthday. I am thankful for another day. The world may not always be easy to live in, but I'm thankful for another chance to be here, to breathe, to choose my direction, and to love and be loved. I am intent on highlighting the positive and offering the life I have to give to the world. I am making the most of his lifetime because it is my life after all. Cheers! Thank you, Sandy!
Tos?
New Year na ba? New Year na? Ha?
Baka ilaw na yan, ha?
New Year na ba?
Ilaw!
Uubusin ko na siya. Itong masarap mga fruits.
Ready?